Hey, welcome to DuanesWorld. It's me, Duane the Booze and Blogger, coming at you with another episode of Cooking with DuanesWorld. That's right, we're going to do another episode. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I can use more subscribers. Thank you very much. Today, we're on the menu. All we're doing is a different bit of take on egg salad sandwich. That's right. Simple, but I'm not making it the way normal people do. Okay, so there's a lot of discussion about how to cook your eggs. So what I do is I put my, I hope that didn't crack. I put my eggs in my pot and I add the water. Just barely covering the eggs with water, okay? Put the lid on it. Throw it on the stove, and what I do is when the water starts to boil, I set a timer for 13 minutes, and the eggs turn out perfect every single time. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to, I'll be right back. All right, so our eggs are boiled. They're done. Perfect. What we're going to do is we're going to drain them. Just typical, just everything you normally do. Run cold water. I just keep the cold water running until they're cold, or until they're good. That's it. All right, so I've run cold water over them for a few minutes. Now just drain the water. Take out your eggs and crack them. They crack pretty easily after that. Okay, so we have our 5 eggs peeled. Now, take our potato masher. Mash them all up. Mashed up eggs. Okay, so now we take some, either use green onions or finely chopped onions. I decided just to use my chopper to get some white onion because we don't have any green onion right now. We're regrowing them. Okay, so you put your onion in there. The best part of any egg salad is, that's right, mayo. Good helping of mayo. Okay. Okay, some cracked pepper. Some paprika. And mix her all in. Okay, now I'm going to throw this in the fridge for about 20 minutes to cool it off because I don't like warm egg salad. Just don't like it. Alright, so my egg salad is cooled off. It's really good. Now we get to the point where it's a little different than everybody else makes their egg sandwiches. I choose not to go with the carbs of the bread. I find them to be really, really good if I put them on leaf hearts. Yeah. So just scoop her onto a leaf heart. Fold it like a taco. So good. I used to take about 3 or 4 of these to work with me and eat them on lunch. You just wrap them individually in cellophane. They're so good. Go, Mussy. There you have it, folks. Duane's World take on a classic egg salad sandwich. Pretty simple stuff. Remember, subscribe to my channel, take care of each other. Remember the most important thing in life. Don't be a fucking asshole.